I want to make sure that I'm getting the best gas mileage possible, so I'm going to inflate my tires with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked this up. It's an air pump, and it runs off of your 12-volt car charger. And these are a great thing just to have in the trunk of your car in case you're getting low tire pressure and you just need to top this off. Maybe it'll get you out of a situation where you don't have a spare, or just get you to the nearest exit. But this little air compressor here looks pretty sleek, and basically what I want to do here is actually top off my tires to 40 psi, which is actually higher than recommended. But as we go into the cooler months here, that air tends to compress a little bit, and so what I want to do is overinflate just a bit, just to make sure I'm getting really good mileage. So let's unbox this, see what we get, try it out. So here's what we get. Here's the compressor itself, man. Dude, this thing is cool looking. It's like a race car. It's very angular, kind of Lamborghini-ish, and it says right here 100 psi, so that should be more than enough for my application. Black and yellow here. Looks like on the top we have the controls and a little LCD panel, which is pretty nice. Looks like we have a fitting on the front and even lights, and then rubber feet on the bottom. So let's see what else we get here. So here is the power cable, single prong. We will plug that into the compressor, and then this end into our cigarette lighter. And then we also have a bunch of different adapters here for filling up inflatables, sports balls, and things like that. We also have a couple of extra fuses, it looks like. And then here is the hose that basically I'm going to need. So I will screw this in and get this sucker ready to inflate my tires. All right, so the moment of truth, I've got the car running here, and I've got the power cable plugged into the cigarette lighter. I've got the air hose twisted into the front fitting here, and now I'm just going to plug in the power and see if this thing comes alive. And it's alive. So what's pretty cool about this is that this is a nice little roadside assistant here. I can hit this little light button, and what that will do is will give me a little LED flashlight on the front, which is going to be nice if it's dark out. Turn that off. And what I can do here now is increase the bar here, or the pressure, and if I just change it to PSI, and I'm going to set my tires to 40 PSI, and now if I put this on, it should pump and stop when it hits 40 PSI, so let's try it. All right, I've got it plugged in here, so now you can see it says 33 PSI, so I'm just going to hit the on button and let the sucker go. It's moving up, so that's a good sign. So we're getting really close here. I want to see if it'll shut off. Sweet! And it shut off when it hit it, so you don't have to worry about overinflating it. That is pretty awesome. So this is a great little companion, I think, for your road trips. Put it in the trunk of your car. It's very small, it's very light, and obviously it works great. And if you do need it, you're going to be super happy that you have it with you. So I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda. Peter Von Panda.
I want to make sure that I'm getting the guest